Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In this video I will be talking about toilet training for your child with the Montessori method. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and like button. I also make posts on Instagram at Montessori Homeschooling 53. Montessori toilet training setup options. This outlines two distinct approaches to setting up a toilet training environment that aligns with Montessori principles, emphasizing independence and self-sufficiency. Option 1 is potty chair with independent emptying. Focus, empowering the child to manage the entire process, from toileting to waste disposal. Setup, a child-sized potty chair placed within easy reach. Process, the child uses the potty independently. The child then empties the contents of the potty bowl into the toilet. Benefits, fosters a sense of responsibility and control over bodily functions. Option 2, toilet seat adapter with step stool. Focus, directly using the toilet, minimizing mess but requiring assistance for access. Setup, a toilet seat adapter to provide a smaller, more comfortable seat for the child. A sturdy step stool to allow the child to reach the toilet independently. Process, the child uses the toilet with the adapter and stool. The child does not need to handle or empty any waste containers. Benefits, streamlines the process, potentially reducing cleanup and simplifying the routine. Considerations and conclusion. The choice between these options depends on the child's developmental readiness, physical abilities, and the caregiver's preferences. The potty promotes greater independence in waste management, while the adapter simplifies the process at the expense of some direct involvement. Careful observation of the child's capabilities and interests will guide the most appropriate selection for a successful and empowering toilet training experience. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more new videos on how to set up your own Montessori homeschooling environment and on instructions on how to teach Montessori materials.